If you're experiencing a sync issue with your Valorant account, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and recover your account effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Valorant server status page to ensure that there are no ongoing outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary sync issues and refresh your connection to the servers. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 4. Relink your Riot account. Log into your Riot account through the official website and check your account settings. If your account is not properly linked to your game client, relink it and restart the game to see if the issue persists. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Riot Game Support for assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the issue, and they will help you troubleshoot further. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any sync issues with your Valorant account. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.